Here's a hands-off steel-cut oats recipe that you can eat all week long. Traditional steel-cut oats take about 20 minutes of constant stirring. This recipe is so much easier. We start with 4 cups of water and a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. Bring the water to a boil, and once the salt is dissolved, we're going to add the steel-cut oats. I'm using 1 cup of oatmeal, but the recipe will actually yield 4 cups when it's cooked. Let the water come to a boil, and once it does, cover it with the lid and start your timer. You're going to want to give it 1 minute to cook. I know what you're thinking, a minute's not enough time, but that's okay because once the timer goes off, we put the lid back on and set the timer for 2 hours. But we're not cooking, it's just absorbing all of the water. So after 2 hours, this is what you get. It's got a perfect texture, a toothsome chew, and it's not gummy like some oatmeal can be. You can keep this in the fridge for up to a week, and there's so many variations you're going to love. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest. Follow me for more easy recipes.